Welcome back everyone. In today's session, we are diving into one of the most flexible feature of the Groovy, that is dynamic variable. What is dynamic variable? A dynamic variable in Groovy is a variable declared using the keyword defs, where the data type is not fixed at compile time, but instead decide at runtime. So Groovy is a dynamic type language, meaning the same variable can hold different type of the values like string, integer, boolean or double at the different point in the program. This makes dynamic variable flexible containers that can adapt to whatever value you assign. In simple word, a dynamic variable is like a bag that change shapes depending on what you put inside, whether it's text, number, or true or false value. Let's see this standard example of the dynamic variable. Here you can see the example of the dynamic variable. Let me explain you line by line. If you see the first line, this class dynamic variable demo. Here we are defining a class. A class is like a blueprint for creating objects. The name dynamic variable demo, yeah, this one, dynamic variable demo, is chosen to clearly show that this class demonstrate dynamic variable. Okay. Then the second line, this one, def display value. This line declares a method called display values. The keyword def, we use def when we don't want to fix the type. It makes the method flexible just like dynamic variable themselves. Okay. Then if you see this fourth one, what is the meaning of that? We declare a dynamic variable name as data here. This data is our dynamic variable. We assign it a string value. Hello, Groovy. We have assigned this string value to this variable data. Then this one, print ln. This print this prints the current value of the data. The dollar data part, yeah, this one, this dollar data part is called as string interpolation. It inserts the variable value. It inserts the variable value directly into the text. The output will be string value hello groovy. Here you can see this output. Okay. So after that, you can see this line data 100. What we did here, we reassign the data with the integer. We have reassigned the data with this integer. Here we can notice that we didn't declare type again in the Groovy. Groovy automatically adjusts. Okay. This shows the power of dynamic typing. Here, print ln. This prints the new value of the data and the output will be integer value. This one 100. And again you can see here the same variable. The same variable data is reassigned with boolean value. With boolean value as a true. Again, Groovy accepts it without any without any complaint. Means Groovy accept all the reassigned variable. And here same we use this plain print ln. Then here also we assign a decimal number to the data. And this example prove that the type of the data change at the runtime. Then here at the last line you can see uh, this one. Here we have created an object of the class using this new dynamic variable demo. Then we call the method. Then here we have called that method display value. This run all the codes with we wrote above, means this run all the code we wrote above and showing how the same variable can hold different type one after another. So what is the use of this dynamic variable? If you don't know the type of the data beforehand, then you want flexibility in the script and you are quickly prototyping code. So in this way, we have learned how to use dynamic variable in the Groovy. So yeah, practice this example, then you will get idea how we can use this dynamic variable. Thank you.